Hi friends, Spark is an open source platform and it can be downloaded from apache.spark.org. It's a very simple installation steps. You can follow the documentation to complete the installation. The beauty of Spark is it works on standalone computers as well as on the distributed computers. A distributed computing is basically a cluster of computers which are interconnected. That means multiple computers are interconnected, and on all of these computers together, Spark is one software which will be installed. Spark will take care of managing the hardware resources for executing your codes. Another advantage of Spark is it has language flexibility. It supports Python, Java, Scala, R programming, and SQL. So these are 5 different programming languages that you can utilize to develop your programs on Spark platform. In the upcoming videos, I will also be explaining on how the most popular programming language in the world today, Python, works on a standalone machine and how Python is actually executing code on a Spark platform. Right? The underground, the logic of how the execution happens is something that I'm going to explain in the future videos. Until then, please explore Spark and I'll see you soon. Thank you.